This is a very quick 1-minute video on how to rapidly improve your credit score. And it's a question that comes up when people are trying to borrow money for their startup business. And if you go back to what we call the 5 C's: capital, character, capacity, collateral, and conditions. Capital is the money and the assets you own. Character is your own personal character and your integrity. Capacity is borrowing capacity. It's collateral, the things you can put up against to help liquidate the loan if you can't pay it back. And conditions are the economic conditions and the business conditions and your own conditions. The point here is it's hard to change and alter your character or your collateral, or your capital, or your condition. So the one lever out of these 5 C's that you can pull on rapidly is to improve your borrowing capacity. And the litmus test that most lenders are going to use is going to be the 20% rule. And what does that mean? Let's just pretend for a minute you have a credit card. The maximum limit that you can borrow on the credit card is $5,000, and right now you have an outstanding balance of $4,000. 4,000 divided by 5,000, that's like an 80% utilization rate. So you got to get the utilization rate down to 20% or less. So if you can get that down from 4,000 to say $1,000, $1,000 of debt on a credit card with a $5,000 limit is a 20% utilization. So now your capacity passes through that toll gate litmus test that lenders use, and that will rapidly improve your credit score. So if you want to improve your credit score out of the 5 C's, it's through borrowing capacity and getting your utilization down to 20%. That's the way it works.